Hello and welcome to our Bitsy tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add or update UTM parameters for your Bitsy link. UTM parameters are essential for tracking the performance and metrics of your links. Let's dive into how you can set them up. Head to the Bitsy link page where your created links are listed. Locate the Bitsy link you want to add UTM parameters to. Next to your shortened link, you'll find the More Options icon to the far right. Click on it and you will be presented with more options about your shortened link. Click on the Edit Link button to open the Edit view. In the Edit view, you'll find a section for UTM parameters. If your link was created without UTM parameters, this is where you can add them. UTM parameters are tags you can add to the end of your URL to track specific campaigns and sources. Here's a quick overview of common UTM parameters you can add. UTM resource identifies the source of the traffic, like Apple, Facebook, or newsletter. UTM medium describes the medium used, such as social or email. UTM campaign tracks the specific campaign or promotion, like Summer Sale 2024. UTM term used for tracking keywords if applicable. UTM content differentiates between similar content or links within the same campaign. Enter the relevant UTM parameters for your link. For example, you might use UTM source Apple, UTM medium social, and UTM campaign summer sale 2024. After entering the UTM parameters, click on the Update Bitsy Link button to apply the changes. Your link will now include these tracking parameters. With UTM parameters added, you can now track the performance of your link through analytics tools like Google Analytics. This helps you understand where your traffic is coming from and how well your campaigns are performing. And that's it. Adding or updating UTM parameters to your Bitsy link is a powerful way to track and analyze your link performance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy tracking with Bitsy.